For the last example in your notes, it's a little bit more challenging. Olivia is in a White House on a cliff. She observes two sailboats east of the lighthouse. The angles of depression to the two boats, one is 33 and one is 57. We need to find the distance between the two sailboats. So again, here we have, I'm going to highlight some stuff to make it a little more noticeable. And we have this horizon, and we have this horizon. Here's a line of sight, and here's a line of sight. We know this angle right here, this kind of blue angle I drew, is 33 degrees. And this green angle I'm drawing is 57. Okay, it's saying the height, this is 140, I believe. And, sorry, 110, and then this is 85. So the total thing is 195 feet. I will label those. Well, we know that the angles of elevation are the same as the angles of depression. So notice how this green line I drew is touching this yellow line, this line of sight. That means this angle is also going to be 57. How this blue angle is 33 degrees. Well, this line of sight that it's touching right here is also going to be 33 degrees. Well, again, we have right triangles. Okay, well, we want to find the distance in between the boats. We want to find this purple part. So we want to find the distance of this whole thing, the distance of this small one, the orange part, and then subtract them to get the purple part. Well, let's find the orange part first. We're going to call that X and label our parts. Well, we were given the opposite. We were given 100 and, that's supposed to be for opposite. We were given 195 feet. That's our opposite. And we were given the adjacent. Here's the hypotenuse, but that's not important. We just care about the opposite and the adjacent. So if we look at SOHCAHTOA, one with an O and the A is tangent. So we do the tangent of our angle 57 is equal to the opposite 195 over the adjacent X. Go ahead, cross multiply. X tangent of 57 equals 195. Divide by the tangent of 57. So X is equal to, if you plug that in your calculator, 195 divided by the tangent of 57, it's about 126.6 feet. Okay, well, we want to find the distance of the whole angle, and if you need to, pause it, because I'm going to erase it because I don't have enough room. I'm erase in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you need to, pause it to kind of copy down what I have so far if you need to, but I got to erase this. You don't have enough room. But we want to find the distance of the whole entire bottom part from the last boat to the tower, and subtract it from the distance that we got in the first one, which was 126, I believe. 126.6 is the orange part. We want to find the yellow part, the whole bottom. So we're going to take, again, we have 33 degrees. We were given the opposite and the adjacent, the whole bottom part. So you can do the tangent of 33 opposite over the adjacent. We don't know what it is. Again, we can just cross multiply. Get x tangent of 33 equals 195. Divide by tangent of 33. And you plug that in your calculator. You get 300.3 feet. So that is the length of, it's not the length of the purple part. It's the length of this whole entire bottom. To get the length of the purple part, probably shouldn't have written it in purple, but you take the 300.3 and you subtract it from this part we found right here, 126.6. So you take the whole thing and you subtract part of it, you get the other part. When you subtract those, it will end up equaling about 174 feet. And there you go. There's your final answer.